Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading over to the US and hitting up Target as they have their new summer collection. I'm going to walk you through all of the new home decor items and some pieces I found that I loved in store, and also share a few pieces from the online site Summer Drop. The Hearth and Hand Collection is so cute and I can't wait to share what is new at Target for summer 2024 home decor. I think some of these items have carried on from their spring collection, but work for both spring and summer. I will do my best to link everything on the screen here if I can figure that out. Otherwise, it'll be down below. All right, let's go shopping. We are starting off with the Hearth and Hand Collection. They launched some beautiful outdoor pieces and hosting gear like this cooler for $40. I've been eyeing up this citronella candle. It is so pretty with the glass surround and helps to keep the bugs away. They have different sizes to choose from. So there is a little 4-pack if you are needing a smaller size. And then they have a nice kind of oval shape. So I will leave all of those linked down below as they are beautiful. This pitcher and glass set was also gorgeous. I absolutely love the fluted detailing and the wooden top. Plus it comes with 4 cups for under $20. Hearth and Hand also launched this retro style portable Bluetooth radio available in 2 different sizes. Naturally, I'm drawn to this more cream color, which is significantly larger than the green and the reddish one. As you can see here, they are actually the same price though, so that was interesting. I am not really here for the green and orangey reddy color. To me, they are too retro, and it's kind of screaming Christmas to me, but I don't know, if you like those colors, all the power to you, but I personally want to stick to more of the neutral colors. One thing I can appreciate about this launch is the sports gear that she launched, like this badminton set. There was actually a ton online, but not so much in store. The badminton set was the only thing I saw in store, but look how beautiful it is. She also launched a paddleboard, which I thought was, again, a little crazy in terms of colors for my liking, but what a great price. Even if it's not on sale, the $250 mark is a really great deal on a paddleboard. Usually they're like $600 to $800. And so I thought that this was a really, really great price, and I wanted to share that with you. We live on the lake, and paddleboarding is something that I want to start getting into. To go with this launch, there's a ton of different outdoor cup options in the same green, creams, blues, and retro orange colors for under $10. Some were coffee mugs with handles, some without. They even had these koozies, as we call them here in Canada. And again, for under 10 bucks, I thought that was a really great price. This wicker style basket was really pretty and practical as well for storing pieces, but y'all, I absolutely loved these appetizer plates. They are so petite and adorable. They would be perfect as dessert plates or appetizers before your meal when you are hosting any sort of outdoor party. They had this beverage dispenser that matched the pitcher and cup set. Literally the prettiest drink dispenser I think I've ever seen. Look at her. It also comes with the base and is under $30. Again, I am loving the fluted detailing with the wood accents. So pretty and so practical. I'm noticing the lighter wood tones are coming back as well. These were so pretty, and these timers, oh my gosh, so pretty and practical. You'll notice I'm gonna say that a lot, as those were the pieces that really stood out to me. You know, I'm all about aesthetics, but I also want it to be completely functional as well. These are not new, but I love all of the wooden dishes, serving trays, and pedestals that they have. If you have a light or white kitchen, they'd be really, really great to help soften it and add to your space. I love these pottery style cups, the matching plates, the bowls. They are so beautiful in person. And then they had these rattan style chargers that were absolutely stunning. Honestly, the store doesn't do it justice, so here you go on screen. These would be perfect for your spring or summer tablescapes to help bring some of those natural elements into your dining space or even outside on your patio. I am a tried and true Bloom towel fan, but I love the style and simplicity of these Hearth and Hand kitchen towels. And then of course they had the matching tablecloth, which I loved. I'm loving the neutral blue and texture of them, as well as the stripe pattern. Something about the coastal vibe I totally love. Maybe it's because I live by a beach. I don't know, but I am here for it. I am kicking myself for not buying these. We currently have plastic ones, and honestly, I was so sidetracked in the store that I just didn't get them. I might have to go back, as I love the stainless steel and the wood. This wooden rolling pin would also be really great styled in a crock, pretty and practical. And then these salt and pepper shakers were a total vibe. Again, the wood with the marbling was gorgeous. They had these two different options, as you can see. So they had like the stacked option or the simple side by side, depending on your preference, as well as matching coasters. How beautiful. I also loved the warmth of this serving caddy. Oh my gosh, it would bring so much goodness to a space. Another beautiful and functional piece, if you are needing some storage for your entryway, they had this, which would be perfect on a blank wall. The gold hooks were just such a beautiful accent to the wooden tones. And then of course, this neutral textured piece would be great styled in your entryway as well, like a console table to hide all of that small clutter, like your keys and sunglasses and that sort of thing. I am here for all of the neutral jute and earthy tones. This rug was so stunning and only $25. I was also really drawn to this pillow combo that I put together in the store. There's something that I've always loved, again, about the stripes with just this nice neutral earthy jute tone. They only had one in store, so I might have to look into ordering them online, or they probably would have come home with me. They also had a ton of faux plants, and I thought this one was absolutely gorgeous and would really help to add that natural element to a space. I instantly think of like a bathroom and just adding something there. They also had a lot of smaller options, again, depending on your space, but lots of faux plants if you cannot keep the real ones alive. Lastly, from the Hearth and Hand Collection is this herb drying basket. I think it was waterproof as well, so this would be a really great option, again, for serving anything outside. Moving on to the Studio Mcgee and Threshold collection, they had a ton of beautiful pottery options and ceramic pieces that would be great for whether you're styling cabinets or open shelving or anything like that. So here are a few pieces that really caught my eye. I loved that one piece. I will link it again down below or on the screen here. And then these were just a few other options, as well as this gold plate. I loved the detailing of it and thought it was beautiful. Truthfully, they didn't have a lot in store for the Studio Mcgee collection here, but these tapered candle holders were something I was eyeing up. I love that it came in black or gold. I was looking for some tapered candles that I saw, but I couldn't find them in store. They also had these luxe marble taper candle holders. They had the single and the double, and these were so beautiful and high-end looking. They had some beautiful wall art, picture frames, baskets, storage, as well as some beautiful pillow options. So I'm gonna share my favorites here. We have all seen this lamp all over Instagram, but it really is such a beautiful, dainty piece. Again, I'm loving the fluted detailing. It was even more beautiful in person. I love the size of it. It is fairly small and would look really, really great on like an end table in your bedroom, or as styled here, as you can see, in the living space. And then they had some beautiful other lamps, and there's another one that I loved here. I'll show it on screen as I didn't see it in store, but I am absolutely loving the coastal vibe. Moving into the storage and seating area, I love these 3 benches. The color was way off in person on the olive one, so here's a better representation of it. Again, I'll do my best to link everything down below in the description as well. This boucle one was beautiful, and I've seen this one as well all over and absolutely loved it in person. Another find is this wooden stool, perfect for styling an awkward space or a corner or even in your bathroom. Moving on to the dining space, these leather-inspired chairs were really pretty. I also stacked these 3 side by side so you could see the difference. This black cane chair, not gonna lie, was a total stunner, but truth be told, it was not comfortable at all. I was pretty disappointed, as for me, comfort comes first, but don't worry, this next one is perfect. Beautiful, functional, and comfortable. I love her. Yes, I literally pulled them off the shelves. Don't judge me, y'all. I was sitting down and testing them all. I obviously don't have all of these pieces in my own home, and I always want to be able to share my honest thoughts and feelings on what other people are sharing. I love this texture again on the boucle, but personally, I would never get them for my own home because, well, kids. They're beautiful though, so wanted to share them. Okay, console tables. There are a few that really caught my eye. This wooden one specifically, surprise, surprise. I love the simplicity. This black one we've been seeing everywhere, and there's a reason for it. She is absolutely beautiful too, but my personal favorite was this arch cabinet. This is giving me Nathan James vibes, and I would pair 2 of them together, as it's kind of showed here, for dinner plates, serving dishes, and that sort of thing. Again, it's pretty and functional, and it's also available in this more modern straight lined and finish if that's what you prefer. Moving on to the outdoor and patio section, Hilton Carter partnered with Target and launched this line. It is all the rage, and rightfully so. I'm here for all the neutrals, the stripes, the speckles, and terracotta. They were fairly large in size and would be perfect for your outdoor patio. They also have a line of real plants, which is great if you are into the real ones and can keep them alive. And they had this propagation handbook, which I thought was really, really neat. Now, this was my first time seeing this Threshold by Studio Mcgee wooden gardening tool section, and I loved them. Then I found some more citronella candles, which are pretty, but personally I prefer the simplicity of the glass one from the beginning of the video. But if you do like more pops of color, this might be an option for you. I actually had this welcome mat in my cart as it was beautiful, but I ended up putting it back as, you know, it just doesn't really match our house. Then I found another Hearth and Hand Collection. So we are bouncing back and forth here, but they had a ton more outdoor items. I love this outdoor serving tray. The texture in it was totally stunning, and it was really, really large and oversized. And then the last thing I found in store was this bog bag dupe by Simple Modern. Y'all know I love the Simple Modern brand, but this was big. I was very impressed and shocked. It even had this zippered pocket on the inside for your phone or whatever else you want to put in there and don't want to get lost. Whether you're shopping for Hearth and Hand or Studio Mcgee, Target honestly has you covered this summer and spring. I am loving their new collection. I had a lot of fun filming this video, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button as well to join our growing YouTube family. We will see you in the next one. Bye!